Hey everyone, if you want to manage your Peaq tokens or interact with depin projects, you need the Peaq network in your MetaMask. In 2026, adding it takes less than a minute. Let's set it up. Step 1. Open your network settings. Open your MetaMask extension. Click on the network selector in the top left corner. Scroll to the bottom and click Add a Network. Then select Add a Network manually at the bottom of the list. Step 2. Enter the Peaq mainnet details. To connect to the official Peaq mainnet, enter these specific details into the form. Network name, Peaq. New RPC URL, https://quicknode1.peaq.xyz. Chain ID 3338. Currency symbol, PAQ. Block Explorer URL, https://peaq.subscan.io. Step 3. Save and switch. Once you've filled those out, hit Save. A notification will pop up asking if you want to switch to the new network. Click Switch to Peaq. You'll now see your PAQ balance and the network name at the top of your wallet. Step 4. The 2026 Auto Add shortcut. If you want to skip the typing, head over to chainlist.org, search for Peaq, connect your wallet, and click Add to MetaMask. It'll fill in all the details for you instantly. Just make sure you're adding chain ID 3338 for the mainnet. Now you're ready to dive into the Peaq ecosystem. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.